It's an addiction. You tell yourself it's the last cymbal or the last tom, and before you know it, your kit looks like this. When there's an entire universe you can explore on just kick, snare and hat. In kick, snare, hat, you'll improve your technique, feel and creativity using the 3 elements of the drum set every groove depends on. You'll learn how to really play straight and swung grooves on the hat, how to tastefully add ghost notes on the snare, and how to build nasty grooves and fills with your kick. And every lesson includes original tracks and notation for you to play along with, so you can nail every groove. This isn't another course where you're left alone to practice between lessons. The lessons are your practice. All you have to do is press play, and if you ever get stuck, discouraged, or even just feel lonely behind the kit, I'll be right there with you. Every weekend of the course, we'll go live to talk drums, and maybe we'll even have a cup of tea. You'll ask questions, share progress, and connect with the other drummers on the same journey. 4 one-hour sessions to help you stay inspired and moving forward. Right, let's have it. I've learned that a great groove on kick, snare and hat is enough to build a career on and make every band want to work with you. This course will give you a solid practice routine to help you get to the next level. By the end, you'll be playing everything with better feel and confidence. I'm thrilled to share this with you, a course that will push your limits, strip away distractions, and get you back to what really matters, the groove. Click the link to join my first ever Drumeo course. I'll see you inside the course.